Here we are down the flying field with the Reno Racer P-51, which we have flown on the stock motor, but now what we've put in it is the Pro motor. It's a really easy switch, I would say. Take the spinner and the prop off, take the cowl off, replace the motor. When you replace the motor, just make sure that you don't lose the washers for the side thrust that you have to have on the motor. Make sure they go back in the same place and put it all back together. Really, really easy. Running it on the same pack, the 4S2200. So let's see how much quicker it is. All right, I'm going to hand it over to my trusted
Chief Launcher,
Jason.
Don't pile drive it into the ground.
Oh. All right, here we go. Yeah, it's faster. Nice. There we go, that's the Pro motor in the Reno Racer P-51 from hobbyking. That is quite a bit more fun actually. It wasn't slow on the stock motor, but this does give it a bit more get up and go. So I hope you enjoyed that. The link for this is in the video description and the pinned comment if it's your type of thing. I think it's the first of a series of this type of size model coming out from hobbyking. So we'll look out for the next one soon. and hopefully we'll get 2 or 3 of them flying around. I think that would be epic if we can get Jason to do some chase video of 2 or 3 together. So thanks for watching this. Thanks to Carl on camera.
Cheers.
Cheers, mate. If you enjoy our flight test, if you enjoy more and more of our projects that we're doing and coverage of shows that we go to and take part in, then please subscribe to Essential RC. If you do that, you'll want to click on the bell icon for notifications as well, so you get notifications of all our uploads and live streams. But thanks for watching this one. We'll see you soon. Yeah, like that.